Morning all. Hope you guys are able to hear me right. Please confirm.
Yeah, hi Razu, good morning.
Yes, sir.
No.
Good morning.
So I think most of the things which we discussed in the yesterday class regarding the syllabus and the timings and everything. So if anyone is joined newly today, so please introduce yourself to the your friends in this course so that what's your name, where you are from, how many years of experience, and what's your requirement through this course. What you're expecting is nothing but like manual or automation. What is your agenda by the end of the course? What you want to be there at what level? The people who join newly, especially, I think so. I see two members are joined newly, right? Neeraja and Saisri.
Yeah. Hi, this is Neeraja.
Okay, go ahead. Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't have IT experience. I have teaching experience. I just want to join the course. Recently moved from Singapore to India. So
Okay.
there, due to visa issues, I never tried for anything. I want to learn the course and further go to the opportunities.
Okay. Year pass out your.
I have like I'm 2006 pass out here in India. Worked as an assistant professor in engineering colleges Hyderabad and Visakhapatnam. Later moved to Singapore. There I stick to only teaching field. That's it.
Okay, okay, fine.
Yeah, recently moved just 2 months back. So I just want to learn the course. Before I been to Python courses and all, few courses, but never tried for any job or there due to DP visa and all, dependent visa.
Okay, fine.
Yeah, that is the thing. Now I just want to learn the course and go through the opportunities here, Hyderabad.
Okay, great.
Yeah, thank you.
Hello team, I'm in office, can't speak. Okay, so Saisi messaged in the chat that she's in office, can't speak. Okay, fine, we can understand. So you work as a customer chat support. Okay, fine. So finally, you guys, your agenda is to be there as a either manual or automation test, right? Great. So yesterday I already discussed about what syllabus and just introduce myself. So let me show a small screen regarding that what we discussed in yesterday, so that we can go with one concept today. And if you have any doubts, you can ask me later. Okay. Sharing the screen. Okay, great. Hope you guys are able to see the screen now, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great.
Yes.
So yesterday I just explained about this demo session one. So it's nothing but what are the advantages we have and what tools we are going to learn, and just a basic introduction about myself. Okay. So here myself, Raju, I have 10 years of experience in both manual and automation. As a trainer, I have 5 years of experience as manual plus automation, and almost we cover 22 batches, and your batch number is 23. Okay, so far almost we have guided 300 to 350 member students, and we have a great result in it. So this is all about introduction about myself, and so later on we discussed about the difference between the manual and automation here. So what exactly the difference between the manual and automation? So manual is nothing but everything is going to be verified through manual. So by checking manually without doing any automation. Coming to the automation, we are going to write the scripts based on few languages and tools, and we have to run that scripts manually or automatically through the Jenkins tool. Okay, this is what we discussed yesterday. And in automation tool, we are going to cover all those things. Okay, so not only in this course, in whatever institute, wherever city or town or country you learn the course through the automation or manual testing, you should learn programming language, any one tool, one framework, one build tool, CRS customer requirement repository system, a central repository system, version control system, one editor, and one CI/CD tool Jenkins. Okay, we have to learn all these tools. Okay, so in this course, dedicatedly given for the Java programming language, tool is Selenium. Framework, you learn both test engine Cucumber, and build tools. You guys are going to learn the Maven. And central repository system, we are going to learn the GitHub. Version control system, we are going to learn the Git. Okay, coming to the editor, we see Eclipse and IntelliJ both we can see. And coming to the CI/CD tool, we are going to see the Jenkins. This is the basic overview about the tools what we are going to learn in the further classes. Okay, after completion of the manual. So manual, we have 3 sections. In manual course, it will be there for 10 to 15 days, and automation course will be there for 40 to 45 days. Okay, in manual course, we have 3 sections mainly. One is completely about the theoretical part, okay, which comes in the interviews, like what is meant by testing, what is meant by smoke testing, sanity testing, regression testing, retesting, bug life cycle, software development life cycle, what are the software development life cycle models we have. A basic things, if you learn the class carefully, then you can answer the questions very easily in the interview for manual QA. Okay, so nowadays the opportunities are very less for the manual QA. So even though openings are there for the manual QA, they are expecting the knowledge on automation. Even their work is manual in their team in the company, but the companies are expecting the automation knowledge, because if the project is moved to the automation further, that resource has to be enough to progress the project. Okay, that's why the companies are looking for the people who is having both manual and automation knowledge. Okay, that's the reason we segregated that manual course as a theoretical part as a section 1, and section 2, we are going to teach you few practical tools like Jira and test drive. Okay, Jira is a task management tool, and test drive is a test management tool. In section 3, we are going to discuss about a one practical project from healthcare domain or e-commerce domain. Any one domain we can pick randomly there and we can go on it. Okay, these are the 3 sections we have in the manual part. Coming to the automation, we cover all these tools. Programming language Java we cover, Selenium tool we cover, Test Engine Cucumber framework we cover, Maven build tool we cover, and GitHub central repository system we can cover, Git version control system we can cover, Editor, Eclipse, and IntelliJ we cover, CI/CD tool Jenkins we cover. Okay, these are the basic things we what I discussed in the yesterday's class. Okay, especially discussed about the people who joined newly today, Neeraja and Saisri. Remaining people is already aware about that, which I discussed yesterday. And coming to the advantages of joining into the course, we'll provide the dedicated materials. Okay, we prepared a structured materials for it. So we are going to prepare that. And after that, we'll help you to prepare a resume for it. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So we'll help you on preparing the resumes, and then we'll help you on exploring the jobs in the job portals. Okay, these are the 3 things which we are going to get an advantage through the help of the course. Okay, this is all about the things what you guys has to know regarding the syllabus. And coming to the today class, I just want to explain you a basic concept about what exactly the software development lifecycle is. Okay, so not only the QA manual or automation, if you are entered into the IT industry, so you should be aware about the software development life cycle. What is the life cycle while developing a software in the IT company? Okay, what is the procedure? If you see here, these are the 7 phases we have: requirement gathering, feasibility study, design, development, testing, deployment, and maintenance. These are the 7 phases we have in the software development life cycle. As a human life cycle, we have some life cycle, right? As a kid and children, and then youngster, and then adult, and then will come old age. Like that, there will be some cycle, right, for the men or women. In similar way, here also software development life cycle, we have a few phases. That is requirement gathering. First, initially, we need to gather the requirements of that project. What exactly the requirements are? What are the features that application needs by the owner of the project? Like for example, I'm going to build one competitor to the Zomato. Okay, like tomato, I want to start a new project which is like a tomato. Okay, which gives the features as like the Zomato. Okay, so I need to tell my requirements to the company. For example, this project is given to the TCS company. I need to explain these features to the TCS company. Business analyst. Business analyst will be there in the TCS company. That for that business analyst, I need to give the oral and written requirement document. That is called CRS document, which we can call it as Customer Requirement Specification document. Okay, so after that, we need to do the feasibility study. After that, we need to do the feasibility study. Feasibility study, what we are going to check the feasibility? Resource, finance, technology. Resource means we got a new project. So we need to check that we have 5 members on bench. These 5 members are enough to start this project or not. Or else do we need any new persons? Okay, financial means the budget. So based on the budget, what we are getting, we are going to recruit and we are going to give the package. For example, we have the budget of only 50 to 60 lakhs. Then we are going to recruit only 4 to 5 members. If we have more budget, then we can recruit more members and we'll close the project soon. Technology. Which technology will suit to develop this project? Like we have different technologies like AngularJS. I'm talking about the development point of view. Okay. So after checking all these 3 feasibilities, we are going to start designing the prototype. Prototype means blueprint. How that application will looks like after developing. Okay, you need to give the mock-ups. Okay, you have the mock diagrams or prototypes, whatever it is. Once after you send that to the customer, if as a tomato owner, if I agree to the designs, then developer start doing the developing. So after developing, the tester has to start doing the testing. Once the testing is done, the deployment is going to be happen with the help of the development. All these things will be happen in the lower environment, which can be see only in the people who are working under project. Once the deployment is done, it will be the public who is having the internet can access that application. Clear? Clear about the 6 phases?
Yes, clear.
Yes.
After deploying into the live public, if there is any maintenance, we need to follow step 1 to step 6 again. Sorry guys. Okay, this is about the software development lifecycle. If you have any doubts in the SDLC now, you can ask. Okay, our role will be started point number 5. Okay, until point 4, we are not going to be involved, but we have an idea about the features, right? So we need to write the test cases if you are manual testers. Even if you are automation testers also, few companies will ask you to write the test cases for automation testers only. Okay, no dedicated manual testers will be there. We are going to do this one. Clear?
Yes.
Any doubts so far? Anil K. So I think Anil K is joined newly, right?
Yeah, hi. Yes.
Yeah, just introduce yourself to the team.
Yeah, hi everyone. This is Anil. I have around 8 years of experience here, IT experience. Actually, I am more into the development. So, and also I would like to learn this automation testing tool, Selenium. Yeah, actually, I'm interested to learn how we can do the test cases, run the automation script using the Selenium. So that's why I joined this. And
Uh,
whether we can learn this Postman also?
no, Postman is not into this. If you guys are interested, I will take 1 or 2 classes to tell the overview on the Postman.
Yeah.
Okay, it's not dedicatedly they are here in the course, but if any one of you interested, because all are not interested to learn the all tools, right? So I will take a call after completion of few sessions or else after completion of manual testing course. I will take a poll that if most of the people are interested, we'll take a class of 2 to 3 classes of the Postman tool. Okay, it's not a
And as
it's
part of this, do we need to learn the Java also, right?
yeah. You can learn any programming language, but in this course, we are going to opt for the Java
Yeah.
because we are learning the Selenium tool, right? Selenium is more
Yeah.
compatible with Java as Selenium
Java.
itself written in the Java language. So it doesn't mean that we can't use the Python and JavaScript with the Selenium. We can use it, but Java is more compatible with the Selenium, and you can have the more community to the Selenium plus Java to resolve your errors while working on any project as a open source. Clear?
Yes. Yeah. Thank you very much. Yeah. That's all
Okay.
from my side.
If you have any doubts, you can ask me that. I just discussed only software development lifecycle today. So I don't want you people to bore by taking the lengthy lecture today. As like yesterday also, I have taken only 20 to 30 minute session, right? A small session I have taken because you guys has to be habituated to the session and you guys has to understand the basic things. Okay. So all these are demo sessions. From Monday onwards, we are going to start the classes. Actual classes will be started. The classes will be there for 8:30 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. Okay. So if you have any objections and if you have any requirements on timings, please let me know. We'll check the flexibility. Okay. So if it's not possible, then we can proceed with the same timing 8:30 to 9:30. If it's possible, I can make the changes in the timings as per your requirements. Okay. We'll provide some interview questions document also. So like for automation, we provide 600 interview questions. For manual, we'll provide 100 and it's almost 700, right? We are trying to make it to 3 more 100. We'll make it as a document as 1000 interview questions, which help you to crack an interview. Okay, so it doesn't mean that 1000 interview questions will help you to crack an interviews. So you should be learn the conceptual language than the by hearting the things in that materials. Okay, so if there is 1000 interview questions, while going through the interview questions, you guys has to get like why this they're here. So how it is working on, what is the conceptual knowledge in that question. You need to learn that. If you simply by hearting, by reading continuously, you won't get anything. Like MSET and JEE mains. Okay, there is a difference between MSET exam and JEE mains, right? In MSET exam, it's somewhat better. Conceptual questions are very less. Okay, but coming to the JEE mains, the conceptual questions are more. We need to interlink the more concepts to get the result of the particular question in the JEE mains exam because their weightage is more. For a single question, we have 5 marks or 7, whatever it is. I'm not sure about. But MSET, we have for one question, we have only 1 mark. Somewhat the conceptual will be there, but bit less as compared with the JEE mains, right? And similarly, when I'm share the document of the automation and manual interview questions, in interviews they won't ask directly the same question. Okay, so if you learn the conceptual why this came, for example, if I ask you to write a program, Java program for the strings, so you need to think why I used the for loop there. Okay, so how that for loop is working. So you need to check the conceptual knowledge. Then you guys get a very clear idea about that. So you can easily understand the things. Even that interviewer asks the different questions which is related to the same concept, then you can answer very easily. Okay. So this is the way how you guys has to be prepared. I will make you people to learn quick and learn all the things which are required to crack an interview. So, but what I'm expecting all you guys from is, you guys has to go through the materials thoroughly and you guys has to practice the tasks or assignments which are given in the class. Okay. So please be dedicated to the course so that you guys can easily crack an interviews. Okay, it's correct time to learn. So anyway, it was July, right? August and October, yeah, September middle or end it may join. So maybe by the December the market will be up. Okay, so that you may have chances. I'm not sure that it's just one of the expectation, that's it only. Either market is up or not. So by that, if you learn the course, then you guys be ready for applying for the jobs also. Okay, so if you guys are applying for the experience, it's not an issue. Even you guys, you can apply for now also. You can ask your friends and your colleagues or your family members for the reference in their companies. If there is any openings, then you can ready to crack an interview. But you should be ready before with the knowledge, right? Even if your friends or family members are refer you in the company, if you are not able to crack and give the answers, so no use of doing the reference, right? So please be ready with the knowledge so that whenever there is opportunity, then you can easily switch on it. Okay. Hope you cleared what I'm explaining, right?
Yes.
Okay, great. Any doubts, you can ask me, or else we'll close the demonstration for today. So please use this opportunity. Whoever are interested to join and whoever interested to learn the concepts which I discussed in the syllabus, and whoever is okay with the syllabus what you have, and whoever are eagerly waiting to join in the course, please book your slots by reaching Sartha ma'am in the Harsha Institute. She will help out you how to join for the interview. Sorry, how to join for the course. Okay. Any more doubts?
No, thank you.
Okay, great. So we'll meet you all again on Monday. So at 8:30 to 9:30 a.m. Yeah. Any mock interviews? Yeah. In yesterday's session, I already discussed there is a mock interviews after completion of the course. It's purely based on your interest. It's not for all. After completion of the course, you guys can reach out institute persons who reach out to you. So they will schedule an interview based on your interest. Okay. Because few members may not be interested and few members may not be available after completion of the course, right? Based on your availability, mock interviews are going to be scheduled. Okay, fine. So thank you.
Hello, sir.
Yeah,
If I complete this full course, can I get the certificate from your institute?
can I get?
Certificate?
Yeah, course completion certificates will be given.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Okay, certificates are important, but more than certificates, be knowledgeable and be conceptual knowledge. Okay, conceptual knowledge is very important. Great. So hope and expecting all the members who joined today will be there in the Monday. So please reach out institute person. They will help out you on uh, joining the course. Okay. So have a nice day. Thank you all. Bye.
Thank you.